Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So if you wanted to make money in government contracts, government cleaning contracts, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about an agency that is looking for us, you and I, right now, when it comes to doing government cleaning contracts. You ready? Here we go. One of the agencies that's looking for us right now is Fema. Fema is desperately looking. They're on the hunt and the chase for janitorial companies to provide all kinds of services, whether it's supplies or equipment or water. There are so many things that they're looking for janitorial companies to provide. So with that said, get busy visiting Fema. There's a small application that you have to fill out. I absolutely have that on my website where you can go and you'll see the description below. I'll make sure I have that form that you fill out for Fema so you don't have to go far. It gives you the address on when to send it, where to send it back to. But this is absolutely one of the agencies. If you're looking, you've tried other agencies, I always try to give you ones that are hiring right now. Fema is one of them. They are always normally looking for doing cleaning, government cleaning contracts, and they're normally looking in your area as well. I know there's a lot of states that they look for it more than others, but it's normally in every one of our states. So check out Fema, look at the description. I'm gonna have a hookup for you, so that way you can just download it and or go to my website, download the form, fill it out, boom, send it in. There's an address you have to send it in, and you are ready to get busy with Fema. Love to see you get your first government contract or one of many. Now, if you want to learn more about government, what to do, what not to do, SAM's, basic requirements, all of that good stuff, right? I think that's what you can do. You can sign up for my free masterclass. It's an actual workshop. I get you busy. We're doing some work in there. That's why I call it a workshop. Working to get those contracts. That's right. Learning and earning. So if you'd like to know more, then click the register to sign up for the free workshop. I'd love to see you there. And space is limited, so make sure you do that right now. And until the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.